In front of me is Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to change notification sound for your voicemail. So at first, just open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon and go to the settings. Then select voicemail right here, go to notifications and pick advanced. Click on sound, and here you will be able to check all the sounds starting with the default one. And then just pick the one that you would like to apply, tap on OK, and that's it. As you can see, it has been already changed. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.